Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see the details of government sponsored social security insurance schemes, what different kinds of insurance are provided by the central government, the insurance benefit details, so how much the premium needs to be paid for different insurance, how to apply those insurance online, the details of claim process and how to download the insurance certificate. So let's go to the video to see the full details. These are the government sponsored socially oriented insurance schemes. So this is also referred as social security schemes. So every Indian citizen should have at least a basic insurance scheme. The idea behind is that with a very less premium and a reasonable insurance benefits, the government has announced different types of insurance schemes. So these insurance schemes are like Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, cover under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So if you have a basic bank account, you can activate these insurances. So we have also Varishta Pension Bima Yojana, which is discontinued. So it was like in the year 2014, and now as a replacement, there is another insurance called Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. So the Pension Bima Yojana and Vaya Vandana Yojana are specifically for senior citizens to provide them social security who are age 60 and above. And we have other insurances for the farmers, which are Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restructured weather-based crop insurances. So we can see all the insurance details. So this is the government website where you can see all the active insurance or socially oriented insurance that is sponsored by the government. So you can click on each of these link to see the details. Anyway, I have shared all the information in these slides. So we can see this Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. So the eligibility for this insurance is 18 to 50 years, and the basic need for this is like a bank account. You need to have a basic bank account. Uh, Either it's a nationalized bank like SBI or a private bank like ICICI or Kotak Mahindra. So any bank account supports this. So you should be enabling the auto debit. So there's an auto debit form you have to fill and give. So you have to also opt for a auto renewal every year. So every year it automatically the insurance gets renewed. And make sure that your KYC is up to date in the bank, like Aadhaar, PAN details, everything should be up to date. The life cover for this policy is 2 lakhs. The policy period is like 1st June to 31st May. So renewable every year. Make sure that you auto renew this policy. And risk coverage for this policy is like 2 lakhs for the death of the insured. So any reason the insured has met with accident or any reason, so illness or any reason, they get a benefit of 2 lakhs after death. And the policy benefits can be received only after 45 days after the activation of the policy. The annual premium for this policy is only 330 rupees per year, and as I said, it should be auto debited from your account. The scheme is offered by LIC and all other insurance companies. So every bank has a tie-up with respective insurance companies. So based on that, you can apply for this insurance. So another one is like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So this for this the eligibility age group is 18 to 70 years. The account should be in any banks like nationalized or private banks, and again this should be with the account holders consent only. So this has a auto renewal procedure, like every year it will be auto renewed. So all the applicable details for previous policy is also applicable here, like Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. The difference is the coverage and the age eligibility. So here the eligibility is up to 70 years, and the life coverage, risk coverage, again after only starts after 45 days. The risk coverage is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs for full disability or accidental death, and 1 lakh for partial disability like one hand, one foot, feet, one eye, etc. And the annual premium for this insurance is 12 rupees per year, and auto debited from the account 31st May of each year. Scheme is offered by public sector bank and general insurance companies, any other general insurance companies. All the insurance has tie up with the banks. So you can see the details in the below link. I have also shared all these links in the descriptions also. So I would recommend that at least every account holders should opt for these two insurance, like 330 rupees or 12 rupees per year. Let it go, because the benefits are very good. Like at least you get a basic coverage of 2 lakhs for both the insurance. So if this can be activated online, if you are using online banking. So this is a sample for SBI Bank, Nationalist Bank. So you have to go to the e-services option, select the social service, social security schemes, and you can like apply for this insurance online. And this is the sample from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So you when you go to the log into the Kotak Mahindra Bank website and net banking, so you should select the insurance option, and you see both these insurance schemes can be applied here. So you have to select the appropriate policy here. You have to select the amount is pro rata for the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. So I am applying this on the month of February, and I can see this rate. The premium for this policy, if you start from June, is 330 rupees. So, so based on the date you apply, the amount gets adjusted here. So you can mention the nominee details, and you can accept the terms and condition and submit. So once you submit, so this is like Suraksha Bima Yojana, 12 rupees. So this is default. Any time in the year you pay, you have to pay 12 rupees. So again, you have to accept the terms and condition, assign a nominee here, and accept the terms and condition. So once it is done, you can go and download the policy also. So this is sample from the ICICI Bank website. You can go and download. So any other bank also you can download the policy. Once you apply, if you have a email, registered email, the policy document will be emailed to you. So this is how the policy document certificate looks like. So make sure that you take a printout. So you can take a printout and keep it in home, and please inform your family members that you have some insurance in case something happens. So your family can member can approach the bank and process the claim. So this is how the claim settlement process happens for both these schemes like PMSBY and PMJJBY. So any nominee should approach the bank and initiate the, so as soon as possible they have to go and intimate to the bank that something has happened, and find out which insurance you have. Collect the claim form, discharge receipt, submit the duly completed form. You can prepare and submit the form to the bank. So bank will verify all the documents, and they will submit to the insurance company. So insurance company will process the and settle the claim accordingly. So they will take 30 days. So you need to make sure that you follow up with the bank and the insurance company to process the claim as soon as possible. So here is the link. I have shared the same link in the description also. You can see the details here. So this is one more insurance plan by central government, which is like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So this scheme was specifically for encouraging everyone having a basic account, a bank account. So if you have a bank account, so you need not maintain, it's a zero balance account. It comes with a RuPay debit card. So you open a bank account, go to the bank with your Aadhaar and PAN, open your bank account, they will give you a RuPay debit card. So a lot of people in the village don't have a bank account. So in case you want to transfer any money to them, it's very difficult to transfer the money. So encourage everyone. So whomever you know, you go and tell that if you open a bank account, these are the benefits. So everybody will ask what is the benefit for me. So I don't handle any account, I don't go to the bank, I have like I'm earning very less amount like daily wages, economically weaker sections. No problem, ask them to open a basic account. So this comes with a built-in accident insurance coverage. So in case you are met with any accident, you get a coverage of 2 lakhs. So it's necessary to have a basic bank account. So premium you need not pay. This premium is taken care by the government of India. So one more insurance for the, this is targeting the elderly people. This is social security for the senior citizens who are age 60 and above. So they have like senior citizen, if you know that they have a lump sum of amount accumulated over period of time, and they want to generate some income through that. So this is how the government has announced this Vaya Vandana Yojana. So this gives a return of at least 8 to 8.3%. So this scheme is, so once you enroll for the scheme, so you have to be with the scheme for 10 years. So this policy period term is 10 years, 60 and above. So the above age, there is no above age limit. At any age you can enroll. So for this, the documents are Aadhaar, age proof, address proof, passport photo, and you have to also give a certificate stating that you have retired from your service, you are not no more employee anywhere. The sale period for this is financial year 2020-21, and it will last for 3 years until 31st March. So before that, you can take this policy. So implement, this is implemented only through Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. So this can be applied offline. Directly go to the life insurance office, take all these documents with you, and you can apply there, or you can do it online. Log into the LIC website online, and you can just apply for this scheme. So this minimum, what is the minimum amount for this scheme? So you have a lump sum amount. So you say, okay, I have 1 lakh, I can invest up to 1,50,000. Okay, if you are investing 1,50,000, you get a basic pension of 1,000 per month, and the maximum cap for this is like 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs, if you deposit, you get a 10,000 per month as a pension. And the locking period is 3 years, and before 3 years you can't do anything. And in case you want to cancel the policy, you have to do within 15 days. So in case you want, like within 15 days you see that this is not going to benefit me, you can go to the LIC of it and cancel it, and the entire amount will be refunded. So if you want to take a loan, you can take it only after 3 years. So after 3 years you can take up to 75% of the loan, of the amount as a loan. Emergency withdrawal, in case you have any emergency expense, like only the emergency purpose is only for the treatment. In case you are in undergoing any treatment, you can withdraw up to 98% of the purchase value. The maturity amount is like the full premium amount. So if you have paid 15 lakhs and you get a pension, then the full 15 lakhs will be returned to you after the maturity after 10 years, plus the final pension which is left. So the final pension for 15 lakhs will be 10,000. So 15 lakh 10,000 will be the maturity amount. The mode of pension will be, you can opt, you can choose with these 4 options: yearly, half yearly, quarterly, or monthly. So whatever you feel, you can choose. The amount will be directly credited to your bank account which you have given when you apply for this insurance. So in case of death, the full purchase price will be paid to the nominee. So you can see the details going to the LIC of India website. I have given the link in the description. So these are the main insurance schemes available with the central government social security insurance scheme. So I encourage every one of you to go and apply at least for these 2 insurance schemes. So also share this video with your friends, and ask them to take the benefit of this insurance. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and bye. I'll see you in a new video soon.